So for the assignment today, what I'd like you to do is to compose a creative story that includes at least 10 different energy transformations and includes at least one example for each of the 8 forms of energy that we've learned so far in class. To get started, what I might recommend is that you choose a character and then you can kind of just send them on a journey. I chose to use one character, but as the story proceeds, maybe there are others that are introduced. And then please highlight the energy forms in your story and any energy transformations that take place. So here's an example just of a beginning, how you might start off. So I chose little Oliver here. He's a tiny turtle. He set out on an adventure. He was hoping to meet new people and see things that he'd only ever read about. The morning was sunny. The sun was using nuclear energy to create both radiant, light, and thermal, heat, energy. One thing he noticed right away was the warmth on his tiny turtle face. As he walked away from home, he felt a little hungry. He was thinking he should look for a snack. He was lucky to find some lettuce. He ate a few of those delicate lettuce leaves. This food is chemical energy. Oliver's body will convert the chemical energy into mechanical energy when he walks and climbs. After eating, Oliver sure felt better. Good thing, too, because he could see that not too far off was a big hill, and he'd need to climb over it if he was going to be able to see what's on the other side. And then you get the idea. You just kind of continue with the journey and add more energy transformations as you go.